Yo, what's up guys? ceejaybeatz right here. How you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also smash the notification bell so you get to be updated when I drop a new video. Alright, so today basically I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make an Afrobeat basic loop like Wizkid type of music. Alright, so I'm not gonna cut that part out. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a basic Afrobeat loop, Wizkid type of beat, and we're gonna be utilizing Ghetto Love by Wizkid as a reference point. It's just gonna be basically just the Rimshot loop. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make. It's easy to make the melody when you have an instrumentalist by your side. He's just gonna play his guitar, play the keyboards. You know, a digitally made drum can be hard sometimes because you have to know how to use the right timing and all that. So first of all, I want to set the tempo. It's actually 98. Wizkid is a 98, 10, 100, 90, 110. I don't think I've had Wizkid on 125 before. Probably, I don't really know other songs. Alright, so basically we want to set the BPM to 98. I want to start getting in our rimshots. Thanks to Simba for this kit. Alright, we got this one. We also got this one. Yeah, this is nice too. Yeah, I think I'm okay with this one. This is enough for the loop. Alright, so first of all, this is how it sounds. Yep, let's just take this all out. We're just gonna try and make this as quick as possible. It's very easy to make the Afrobeat loop, and I'm gonna make the loop available for you all to be able to download it. The link is gonna be in the description, and you can also check the comment section, the pinned comment, for you to be able to download it freely. And I'm actually gonna make a multiple, let me say a short Afrobeat loop pack that I created for you guys. If you want to download it, the link is also going to be in the description. So first of all, what we want to do is we want to make out of all this Rimshot, this one, and this one. We want to choose one that we want to be the basic. We want to choose the one that's going to be the basic and the main sound. I would like to use this one. So basically it's going to be like this: 1 1 1 1 1. I think it's yeah, this is how it sounds like. Hey, sucker. Yeah, Wizkid kind of energy, you know what I'm saying? Also, Burna Boy likes this, but I think Burna Boy is a little bit higher in tempo than this. Alright, so that's the first step basically. I want to make the main sound to be the loudest. Actually, want it to be the loudest. Then for the second one, which is this, you want to add it at this place at the red points, just only at the red points. And we don't want the first red hitting to be loud. We want it to be half. So let's listen to this. This is how it sounds like. You might not hear clearly, so let's do a little bit of panning so you can understand and be able to differentiate. Let's listen to it now. So we're all adding all these just to make sure it comes out really tight and pure, because trust me, in Afrobeat the drums are very, very important. It gives it bounce. The melody can be as simple as anything. The drums is also simple, not like it's complex, but it needs to have that specific bounce and sharpness in it. Alright, so then for the next rimshot, which is this, we're just gonna have this at the ending of the note, and this is how it sounds like. Yeah, so the last one, which is this one, we're gonna put it at any point we want. Let's listen to this. I'm gonna take up the volume a little bit because it's low, and basically at this point it's not gonna be here. It's gonna have a little bit of different variation, and this is how it sounds like. Alright, so basically we want to cut out some of these extra sounds, which is not necessary. You can pan it to the right a little bit, and let's listen. Alright. Yeah, then basically we don't just want it to be like this. It's just be doing that and continue and continue and continue. We totally want to change it, so we're gonna create a second pattern. We're actually gonna go back to the first pattern, delete all this part, and we're gonna put this one here. The second pattern is gonna have the main sound, but the second pattern is gonna come in. The first pattern is gonna play a long, a long case. The second pattern is gonna come in like on this section. This is a long cut though, but there's a shorter cut to like do it. The shortcut is for you to like go to the piano roll, then duplicate it and all that, but that's not necessary because I already did it in the long way. So this is how it sounds like, the full vibe. This is how it sounds like. It gives you that bounciness, just that edge. At some point you could also like add some percussion. Let me try get a percussion in here. Let me go back to this same bucket, what I'm saying. Yeah, I like this. Let's just add this one, and we're gonna add it in the pattern one. So it's gonna be let's put it at the beginning and let's see how it sounds like. What? Oh, this. Okay, I actually imputed it in pattern 2. It's in pattern 1 I want it to be. Let's listen to this. Yeah, it's already giving you the ginger, you know what I'm saying, yeah? Okay. Just, want it to be, we want in pattern 2 for it to be louder. We want this last note to be louder in pattern 2. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Alright, so guys, basically that's just the basic way of making basic Wizkid type of beat, Rimshot or snare shot type of beat. So basically, or one shot, whichever shot it is. I hope you guys were able to learn something in making, a Rimshot Afrobeat loop Wizkid type of sound, you know what I'm saying? And don't forget to check the description for a free Afrobeat loops. Actually, it's about 10 of it. You can just click the link and check the description. Basically, check the description for more information, and also click on the check the comment section, the pinned comment, for you to be able to download this. I'm gonna export this right now for you guys, so make sure you guys smash the subscribe button, and also drop some nice, I'm gonna name it TBM Wizkid Afrobeat type of loop. Let me see, Wizkid, whatever it is. Wizkid Afrobeat. There's always a problem in when you want to save a loop, save a sound. There's always a problem. We have problems. That's why most times we just use some randomness and all that. So we're gonna save that right now. We already saved that. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, make sure you smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like this video, and drop a comment of what you guys think. And if you also want to learn something new, just make sure you drop a comment. I'm not a professional, at least we're always growing and we're always learning. Alright guys, peace out. Make sure you subscribe and drop a like and also comments. I would really appreciate that. Alright guys, peace out. CJaybeatz out of here.